What's going on, Adventure Minds? My name is Adam, and I'm here with a new series to provide you with all the tips and tricks while traveling the world. All information shared here is based on personal experience, so feel free to use my advice or stick with whatever is working for you. Today's video is dedicated to one of the most gorgeous landscapes in the world, Banff, Alberta. Home to mountainous regions that stretch hundreds of kilometers, Alberta is known for its natural wonders alongside some of the best hiking trails and ski resorts Canada has to offer. I will take you through my time spent in Alberta and highlight important features you won't want to miss, including the various excursions you're able to do, such as horseback riding, exploring ice glaciers that are thousands of years old, traveling to the highest peaks, and much more. I will also discuss accommodation tips, booking plane tickets, and having the best time of your life while enjoying the natural wonders of the world. So let's get started.
As long as you're looking, I don't feel alone. This music just been going on.
Let's start with plane tickets. My girlfriend and I booked our trip approximately 6 months before our departure, which I always recommend booking well in advance. This will help you secure low prices and give you plenty of time to create a fun itinerary. We paid around $600 each for a round trip leaving from Toronto Airport. WestJet had the lowest prices, so we booked directly through their site. However, third-party applications such as Expedia or Hopper are also great resources for securing cheap tickets. I felt $600 was a fair price. However, people have told me they can get as low as $300 to $400, which I think is a steal. Personally, I always recommend travel insurance when booking flights, resorts, or excursions, as there's a lot of factors that can interrupt your trip before it has even begun. By paying that extra $100, I felt it was worth the cost of my trip. Either way, for what you experience in Banff, you'll completely forget about the cost of that plane ticket. In terms of accommodation, my girlfriend and I stayed in a small town just outside of Banff called Cochrane. The drive to Banff was about an hour long, however it was never a boring ride as the winding highway takes you through the stunning mountainous regions. We stayed outside of Banff due to the outrageous Airbnb prices. I'm talking about a $500 to $1,000 difference, so we decided to sacrifice a little bit of a drive in order to save our money for activities during the day. The car cost us an additional $500 on top of our flights, but having our own personal vehicle was worth the extra cash. Now for the fun part. My girlfriend and I booked a variety of excursions through a website called Banff Adventures. We ended up purchasing a package for $189 per person, which included a Banff gondola pass over Sulphur Mountain with a mountaintop boardwalk overseeing the Banff Circle, a stunning lake cruise with a heartfelt history tour, the Columbian Icefield Adventure where you can walk on a 10,000-year-old glacier, and a skywalk experience over a glass-bottomed walkway overseeing Sunwapta Valley. During our free time, we ventured around the city shopping, eating, and looking for little activities that were either free or low cost. This led us to some of our favorite adventures such as horseback riding, hiking over 2,000 meters, and taking a ski lift to the top of Mount Norquay. All in all, I would highly recommend Banff to any single, couple, or group travelers looking to broaden their horizons and experience Canada's most stunning scenery. Thank you for watching Adventure Minds. All links and descriptions will be posted below this video, and I hope to see you back at the next video where I'll detail my trip to Cayo Coco, Cuba.